Looking for a new fridge? With all the options and features out there, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. But don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we're going to break down exactly what to look for so you can choose the best fridge for your home and avoid any buyer's remorse. So let's get started. Number 1, keep it simple. First things first, less is more when it comes to refrigerators. Fancy features like touchscreens, built-in coffee makers, or indoor ice makers might look cool, but they come with a price, both upfront and in maintenance headaches. Every extra gadget is one more thing that can break, and trust me, when they do, repairs aren't cheap. A simple fridge with fewer moving parts will last longer and be easier to fix if something goes wrong. Number 2, skip the indoor ice maker. Speaking of gadgets, let's talk about indoor ice makers. These might seem convenient, but they're one of the most failure-prone features in modern fridges. Why? They combine cold, dry air and warm, humid air, a recipe for frost, leaks, and constant repairs. If you need ice, go for a countertop ice maker or stick with one in the freezer compartment. They're far more reliable and less likely to give you trouble. If an ice maker in the refrigerator section is a must, I recommend one that is within the body of the section with a contained compartment surrounding the ice maker. These are still susceptible to some of the same issues as the ice maker built into the door, but usually on a lesser scale. Number 3, do your research. We've talked about keeping it simple and what to avoid, but sometimes those amenities are a little too hard to pass up, and it's easy to get excited about fancy features, but don't skip the homework. Before buying, take a few minutes to check the specs, features, and online reviews of any fridge that catches your eye. It'll help you make sure you're getting what you want, not just what the salesperson says you need. While you're at it, take a close look at the manufacturer's warranty. Not all warranties are created equal. Some only cover everything for a year, while others offer more comprehensive coverage, like 1 year for the whole appliance and 4 to 5 years or more for the sealed system, which is the compressor, condenser, and evaporator. Knowing what's covered and for how long can save you a lot of stress and money down the road, especially if you're looking at a fridge with advanced features. Number 4, measure for the perfect fit. Before you even step into a store, grab a tape measure and check the space where your new fridge will go. You're not just measuring width and height, you also need to leave room for proper airflow. Fridges need at least 1 inch of clearance on the sides and 2 inches behind to stay cool and run efficiently. Without it, the compressor can overheat, and that's a fast track to a shorter lifespan. And don't forget to think about the doors. Make sure they can swing open freely without hitting any walls or cabinets. Number 5, choose a style that works for you. When it comes to fridge styles, here's a quick breakdown. French door refrigerators, trendy and spacious, but they're pricier and often more complex to maintain. Side-by-side refrigerators, a solid middle ground with good storage and fewer reliability issues. Top freezer models, the classics, affordable, reliable, and great if you're on a budget or just need something straightforward. Whatever style you pick, try to keep in mind the trade-offs that extras like indoor water dispensers or multiple compartments may have. They sound nice and often supply a certain level of convenience, but may complicate things in the long run. Number 6, think about energy efficiency. Finally, let's talk about energy use. A more efficient fridge might cost a bit more up front, but it'll save you money on utility bills over time. Look for the Energy Star label to make sure you're getting a model that's both eco-friendly and wallet-friendly. Choosing the right fridge doesn't have to be complicated. Stick to the basics: simple design, proper fit, and solid build quality. And you'll have a fridge that works great and lasts longer. Often, maintaining your current fridge can save you some cash. That's a topic for another video, but if you ever need help maintaining or repairing your current fridge, AppliancePartsPros.com has you covered with OEM parts and step-by-step repair videos to make it easy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips to keep your appliances running like new. Good luck fridge shopping, and we'll see you next time.